Now that you're inside popCards, let's walk through how to create your first popcard. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the left menu, click popCards. You'll land on the popCards list. This is where you can view, manage, and create your pop-ups. To add a new one, click Add New at the top right. A small window will appear asking what type of popcard you'd like to create. Choose Quick Message if you want to display a short announcement or promotion. Perfect for sharing flash sales, limited time offers, or store updates like holiday hours or shipping reminders. Or choose Opt-In Collect Email if you'd like to gather customer email addresses directly from your site. Great for newsletter signups, discount offers for new subscribers, or growing your marketing list for future campaigns. Once you've selected your popcard type, the next step is to decide where it should appear. Under Display Popcard On, pick one location: Every Page, Home, Checkout, or Custom Page. Every Page is best for store-wide announcements or events. Home is ideal for welcoming visitors or featuring your current promotion. Checkout helps encourage last-minute purchases or reduce cart abandonment. Custom Page lets you target a specific area, like a product launch, blog article, or campaign landing page. Next, select your popcard type. Choose Text, Image, or Text with Image for quick message cards, or Text with Image for opt-in cards. You can use the preview beside each option to quickly compare how they'll look. Now, give your popcard a name that makes sense for you and your team. This name will only appear internally in your admin view and not to customers. For example, Holiday Sale Banner, Newsletter Sign Up, or Cart Reminder Offer. When you're ready, click Start. This will open the customization screen, where you'll design and adjust your popcard's look and behavior. We'll go through that next, beginning with the Settings tab, where you'll personalize its basic details. If you ever need help, click the Get Help button at the top right. Epic's resources are always ready when you are. And if you want a demo or need extra support, just email support@epicshops.com. We'd love to help you explore what's possible and help you sell more online.